So 9 to the 6, is there any negatives? No, so that's our answer. It's pretty easy, right? Okay, 9 to the negative 9, is there a negative?
Yes.
Okay, so essentially any number can be put over a 1, okay? So where does the negative need to go? On the bottom, okay? We move it. If it's on the bottom, you move it to the top. If it's on the top, you move it to the bottom, okay? So essentially, this needs to go on the bottom to make it a positive 9 to the power of 9, okay? And then obviously you can't leave something without a 1 over it. Okay, if it's negative, you got to move it to the bottom or to the top. 8 to the 6, is there a negative? No, so it's just 8 to the 6. Now, if you would type in 8 to the 6 on your calculator, you would get a really huge number. But because there's no letters, we don't need to solve. Okay, 9 to the 7. Is there any negatives? No, so it's just 9 to the 7. Okay, so these ones, if you look, like 1 through 8 have no variables. Okay, they got no letters. Okay, now, when you're doing with letters, my first suggestion would be to draw a bar. Okay? The big 2, is that positive or negative? Positive, so it's going to stay on top. X to the negative 2. We need to move it, okay? It's a negative, so if right now, technically it's on the top, it needs to go to the bottom. Okay, and that's our answer. Okay, same thing, 11, you can put this over 1. The 3, where's it going to go? Top. X to the negative 2. Where should it go? The bottom. And it becomes x to the positive 2. Okay, draw your bar. R to the negative 1. Where should it go? Okay, the R to the 1 goes on the bottom. What do we put on the top if there's nothing there? A 1. Okay, 15. Where does the 6 go? Top. X to the negative 4. Where does it go? Bottom. And it becomes a positive 4. Don't forget to change it to a positive. 17. Where's the 3 go? Top. K to the negative 1. Bottom. And it becomes a positive. $19. Where's the 4 go? Top. X to the negative 3. Bottom. And it becomes a positive. 21. Where's the 2 go? Top. R to the negative 2. Bottom. And it becomes a positive. B to the negative 3. Bottom. And it becomes a positive. What goes on top? A 1. Okay, now when you're working with multivariables, okay, so if you look at 25, hopefully you guys are on the same number as I am, okay, when we're doing multivariables, it's the same concept, okay, but just do it piece by piece. Where does this big 2 go? Top. X to the 2. Top. It stays where it's at, it's positive. Y to the negative 1. Bottom. It needs moved and it becomes a positive. 27. Y. Where does it go? Top. And it's really y to the what? Y to the what power? If there's no power there, what is it? There's a 1. Okay? So you could say y to the 1 or just y. It doesn't matter. Okay? X to the negative 1. Where does it go? On the bottom. And it becomes a positive. 29. Where's the 2 go? Top. X to the 4. Top. y to the negative 2. Bottom, and it becomes a positive. $31, where's the 4 go? Top. 31. Oh, it is 31. I'm tripping. Okay, so it should be 4 over m to the 2. $33. Where's the 3 go? Top. Z to the negative 1. Bottom. And it becomes a positive. 35. Where's the 4 go? Top. M to the negative 3. M to the negative 3. Bottom. P to the 4. Top. Okay, look at 37 if you're not there. Where's the 3 go? Top. X to the negative 1. Bottom. Y to the 0. What is anything to the 0 power? A 1, okay? So, is 1 negative? No, so it kind of goes at the top. What do you think that you do with those two numbers? Multiply them. So what is 1 times 3? 3. So what really happened to the 0? Y to the 0. What happened to it? It just stayed the same. The whole, like the 3 stayed the same. Okay, so and essentially you could say it canceled. Okay, is kind of what happened there. Okay, and then z to the negative 4. Bottom. Okay, and then lastly, x to the negative 3. Bottom, and it becomes a positive. Y to the negative 3. Bottom. What do we put on the top? A 1. Okay, you guys have 20 of them to do. Go through, get them done, and then put them back there.